Struggling to shed fat and can't figure out how many carbs you should be eating? You're not alone. Today I'm going to share how you can find your carb sweet spot, the key to effective fat loss. Stick around to learn how to determine the right amount of carbs for your body and achieve your fat loss goals. Carbs have always been a hot topic in the weight loss community. Should you cut them out completely? Should you go low carb or high carb? It can all be overwhelming, and that's why I'm here to help. Finding your carb sweet spot is like finding the perfect balance between enjoying the foods you love while still achieving your fat loss goals. It's not just about restriction or deprivation, but rather understanding your body's unique needs. First, let's delve into the concept of carb tolerance and unravel why it's such a personalized matter. Carb tolerance is essentially a measure of how effectively your body can process and utilize carbohydrates for energy without tipping the scales towards unwanted fat gain. It's like having a unique metabolic fingerprint. Everyone's is slightly different. Imagine your body as a sophisticated engine. Just as some engines are designed to run on premium fuel, while others can handle regular unleaded, your body has its own preferences when it comes to carbs. This is where the concept of carb tolerance comes into play. It's a reflection of your body's ability to handle carbs without causing blood sugar spikes or contributing to excess fat storage. Now that you know what carb tolerance means, let's dive into the factors that affect your individual carb intake. It's like piecing together a puzzle. Each factor contributes to the bigger picture of your optimal carb consumption. Understanding these elements is crucial for tailoring your diet to your body's unique needs. First step, we have metabolism. This is the engine that powers your body, converting food into energy. Your metabolic rate determines how quickly you burn calories, and it varies from person to person. A faster metabolism means that you can typically handle more carbs as your body efficiently converts them into fuel. It's like having a high-performance sports car that needs premium fuel to run at its best. Next, we consider activity level. The more active you are, the more carbs your body can utilize effectively. Think of carbs as the gasoline that fuels your physical activities. Whether you're a weightlifter, a walker, or a yoga enthusiast, your body needs will differ based on the intensity and duration of your workouts. It's all about matching your carb intake to your energy expenditure. Insulin sensitivity is another key factor. This refers to how well your body responds to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. High insulin sensitivity means that your body can efficiently use carbs for energy, while low insulin sensitivity may lead to higher blood sugar levels and increased fat storage. It's like having a finely tuned thermostat that keeps the temperature just right. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism highlights the impact of these factors on carb intake. The research suggests that personalized nutrition, taking into account individual metabolic rates and insulin sensitivity, can lead to more effective weight management and overall health. Lastly, we can't forget about your body's unique needs and goals. Whether you're aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, or simply maintaining your current weight, your carb intake should align with your objectives. It's like setting the destination in your GPS. You need to input the right coordinates to reach your desired outcome. Navigating the journey to your carb sweet spot requires more than just knowledge. It demands ongoing monitoring and adjustment. It's like sailing a ship. You need to constantly check your course and make corrections to reach your destination successfully. First and foremost, it's essential to listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel after consuming different types and amounts of carbs. Do you experience a surge of energy, or do you feel sluggish and tired? Your body's reactions are valuable cues that can guide your carb intake decision. It's like receiving real-time feedback from an internal sensor, helping you navigate your dietary choices. Keeping a food diary can be an invaluable tool in this process. Record what you eat along with any changes in your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. Over time, patterns will emerge, revealing which type of carbs and portion sizes work best for you. It's like mapping out the terrain of your nutritional landscape, allowing you to identify the most effective routes to your health goals. Regularly assessing your progress is also crucial. Whether it's tracking your weight, body measurements, or how your clothes fit, these metrics can provide tangible evidence of how your carb intake is influencing your fat loss journey. It's like taking periodic snapshots on your voyage, giving you a clear picture of how far you've come and where you need to adjust your course. Finally, be prepared to make adjustments based on your observations and results. If you notice that certain carbs cause unwanted weight gain or energy dips, consider reducing your intake or choosing different sources. Conversely, if you find that increasing your carb intake enhances your performance and well-being, embrace that change. It's all about finding the right balance that works for your unique body and lifestyle. Have you tried adjusting your carb intake for weight loss? What were your challenges? Share your experiences in the comments below. Now let me arm you with some practical tips for balancing your carb intake. These tips are designed to help you navigate the world of carbs with confidence, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of carbs while staying on track with your fat loss goals. First, prioritize whole nutrient-dense carbs. These are the good carbs we talked about earlier, like ancient grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. They provide not only energy, but also essential nutrients and fiber that support your overall health. Think of them as the foundation of your carb intake, providing a steady, reliable source of fuel. Next, consider the timing of your carb intake. Consuming carbs around your workouts can be particularly beneficial as your body is more likely to use them for energy rather than storing them as fat. It's like syncing your carb intake with your body's natural energy demands, ensuring that the carbs are put to good use. Finally, be flexible and adaptable. Your carb needs may change over time due to factors like changes in activity level, weight loss progress, or shifts in metabolism. Be open to adjusting your carb intake as needed to continue supporting your body and achieve your goals. If you're struggling to find your personal carb threshold, go ahead and grab my Carb Cycling Quick Start course for step-by-step directions on how to balance carbs for optimal fat loss. Click the link in the description to enroll today. Now that you know about the importance of finding your carb sweet spot, don't miss the next video in this series, which covers 3 signs that you're hitting your carb limit. I'll see you there.